Yes, good evening, everybody. This is Renell. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking this vlog to you where my family, and I, we wanted to every year we travel. I try to travel with my kid. You see what I'm saying? To visit places. Last year we went to Miami, Florida. We went to visit Disney World. I took my daughter to Disney World. We had a wonderful time over there, but it was hot, but that was in summertime. She said she doesn't like going there in summertime. She said, Daddy, we are not going to Florida in summertime. So it was so hot. All right. So this year we decided to go to around Canada. We went to Niagara Falls, and we said, okay, we live in this country, we live in Canada, and we don't know Canada too well. So I realized that there's a lot of people, they don't do that. They don't go around visiting. But I decided to take my daughter, my family, but there was another family, a friend of us, and they decided to join us. And we decided to go to Niagara Falls, and that was my first time. So, and I was excited to go. My daughter was excited to go, but at the standpoint, she thought that we were going to take the plane to go there. We drove all the way there. It took us like 7 hours to drive, but it should be around like 6 to 7 hours, but we calculate the stops. We had to, when you're, traveling with kids, and you know how it is, they're gonna want to use the washroom, they want to do their thing. All right. So this is we had a great time over there. So yeah, we were in a great hotel, so we had great services. So it was great, and I loved it. And yeah, so let's watch it together. Let me show you what we did. Yeah. This is the time when we get there. This is the sky wheel. Yeah, but I'm scared of height though. Yeah, that's what we went to. We wanted to buy a ticket.
That's my wife right here.
That's my wife. You see the glasses?
Yes, that's my wife right here.
Yes.
How you guys doing? All right. So how much did it take me to get in? I don't know, but we get access to all those. Yeah. So on the card. So driving today.
Yeah, you have to go with that machine.
Yo, dude.
Yeah, that's good. She speaks Creole, and she,
Okay.
This was a great place. I really loved it. So my wife and kids, they do enjoy the moment. We spend the whole weekend over there. Yeah, that's my daughter. Yes, that's my daughter. That is the same day we get there. So it was like around, it was around 4 o'clock or something. I mean, 3 to 4 o'clock when we get there. After a long way driving. So we didn't get into we didn't get into the carnival chaos.
This is the speedway.
Yeah, that's the speedway. But let me tell you this: before I was behind the camera. I was the one filming. So that's Kevin. Kevin wants to go in the speedway. He wants to drive the car. That was his first time though. Yeah, big line, so a lot of people. So that's my daughter. My daughter, you know, she didn't want to go because she doesn't want to wait. She want to, you know, she just don't want to sit in the line because she's not going to the speedway. She was not going to do the speedway. I understand.
That's crazy.
Ooh.
That's how you call it. That's what we call it. Sky
That's too high for me. That's too high.
huge. Come on, you see these people over there.
That's too high. That's too high. I'm scared of height though. I don't go. No. Maybe when I was younger or something.
We.
Even my wife.
Sorry, my man.
She didn't want to go to.
That's what it is. That's a sky wheel. Come on.
So what I hate the most is when you're on a sky wheel, when it goes, when you're on the top and it stops there and it shakes it, and then I don't know, they shake it a little bit. They shake it a little bit, and you know, it scares me though. I don't like that. But as far as I'm concerned, this one is not that bad though, because it's like close. You are inside of it. You know, most of the time, I did one. I did go on a sky wheel, but it was not really close cabinet. It's like you were not. It was not close. It's like you were flying in the air, like, you know, But if you're looking at this sky square there, so if you look at the cabins, so that these cabins, they are really close. Yeah, but that's where we get there. I wouldn't believe it. This is the Niagara Falls. That's where the falls. That's the water. You see this boat that you're looking at? This boat is from the American side, the United States side. So there's two sides. They exploit them. I mean, the American people exploit that too, and Canada exploit it as well. So you have the side for American, and you have the Canadian side. So this boat that you're looking at is for the American, and this is the side where the Canadian is. Yeah, You see, you could see two boats there. This is the American. Yeah, this is the American side. That's Buffalo over there. That's the United States we're looking at. It's easy. Like, I mean, if you have your passport, you could go to the border and get across the bridge, and now you're in New York, Buffalo. It's a very nice place. We did enjoy it. There were so many people. I was just freaked out from everywhere. Yeah, that's where we're back. Yeah, you see that's the speedway. See these people driving, these kids, you know, they're driving. That's when we came back though.
Okay.
Yeah, my daughter is asking me for ice cream. Like I said, it was also hot there, but not hot as in, you know, when we were in Florida last year. Yeah, but it's okay there. But it was hot. That's the downtown. That's the downtown. That's the Niagara Falls. But it goes like on and on. Yes. Yeah, that's the park. Yeah. So that's the place that's where we spent most of our time though. Because the kids, they loved it. So they enjoyed it. See what I'm saying? We went on a daytime. And after that we went to a restaurant to eat. Yeah, that's huge. That's enormous. I got you, this bird. That's Birdie. Yeah. We had a great time, everybody. This is it. That's the way it was. You see these faces. You see what I'm saying? They look tired. And then they look tired and angry and hungry too. They wanted to eat. So we wanted to go to buffet. And we went, at the end of the day, we went to a buffet. So we ate, you know, good food. Yep. That was it. That's Deborah, my daughter's friend. Yeah, my wife, you know, she's having it. She's having it. You know. Like I said, I loved it. I was behind the camera, people. That's why you don't see me, you don't see my face. But I was trying to do my best. You see this, to bring you this vlogs. Alright, so, you know, keep up with the good works. You know, if you travel around, you know, visit places, you know, that's it. So have a good one. Thanks for watching.